Hey y'all, decided to do another video. I've been eating, so I didn't catch the first like half hour of him playing with the new toy that I bought him. It's like a little fishing rod with a ball attached to the end of it. You see? Yeah, but he's been playing with this non-stop since I brought it home. So I figured I'd catch a little bit of it right before I turn back around and start watching TV, catch up on some news for the day, you know. The regulars. I had to come home and eat. Hey, Pumpkin. Don't forget you too. Got it from the dollar stores. Came in a 2-pack. But I had to record it because he's been making hella noise behind me this whole time. I'm like, Jesus, he is loving this thing. I'm gonna put the other one upstairs somewhere. I might have to get another pack. Cause he likes to stay out on the porch a lot too, so I probably have to buy another pack, put one on the porch, and probably put one in his room and probably one in my room, just to keep him from bothering me. I'm trying to lay down and watch TV. Say bye, Pumpkin. 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 Oh boy. Pumpkin. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for now. Like and subscribe. Thanks.